Cineband Party 1978. It is a heavyweight product from Cineband, a sub-brand of Sdobo. As you can see, it has an amazing 300 watt of power. Are you looking forward to it? Let's take a look. The first thing I saw was the instructions on the foam sponge. Inside the foam sponge are audio accessories. Take it all out. This instruction manual is available in many languages. And then 2 microphones. The appearance is good, the workmanship is more exquisite. Its charging mode is Type-C. This is a shoulder strap to help us carry it around. Below are 2 cables, an audio cable and a Type-C cable. The final accessory is the remote control. Help us achieve remote control of the stereo. It is powered by a removable battery. Now to our stereo. It is a hi-fi grade Bluetooth speaker that can meet family karaoke, outdoor camping, and live streaming. Try turning on. As you can see, this is the flashlight mode of the stereo. It can be used well in camping scenes. It's the atmosphere of the button. Can create a good atmosphere in the party.
I do the same thing I told you that I never would. I told you I changed, even when I knew I never could. I need you to stay, need you to stay. I get drunk, wake up, I'm wasted still. Real. I feel like you can't feel the way I feel. I'll be fucked up if you can't be right. Yeah. If you can't be right, yeah. I do the same thing I told you that I never would. I told you I changed, even when
Let's take a final look at its interface. This is one of the ports where you can connect a USB flash drive. This is the junction at the back. It is worth mentioning that it has a musical instrument input port, a listening port, and a wired microphone input port. Second, it also supports live recording. This speaker is very powerful and complete. I forgot to mention that this speaker weighs 7 kilograms. So much for the introduction of this speaker.